What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna start doing the drift motion transmission mount kit since my transmission mount is completely destroyed. So here's the new kit. It comes with these little spacers that go where the existing trans mount in between the floor, or whatever, the frame and the trans mount, all the hardware. So I know you have to drill 2 holes for these and the factory aluminum trans mount, so I gotta get this put in and then mark with a Sharpie or something to where I gotta drill and get it drilled out, and hopefully this lasts a lot longer than the other one I had in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the car jacked up and we're gonna go from there. Alright, now that I have the car jacked up, I can show you guys exactly what's going on. So you can see where it's separated right here. It's like that on both sides. And I'm gonna check the rear diff too. Okay. There's no room underneath there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this mount ripped off. And then I think I have to drill the hole here and one like over here somewhere. So, gonna get this ripped off. Of course the exhaust is in the way over there, so that sucks. But let's get to it. Alright guys, so you can see I got it out. And if you look, hopefully you can see that. Right there. This whole thing was completely pulling off when I was trying to take it off. I got this thing shot. So, gonna go ahead and install the new one and go from there. Alright guys, as you can see, I got my holes drilled and it actually worked out. It's like right in the exact center of the mount, which kind of sucks. I had to go through the hardest part. But, so that's done. They're a little off, but the holes in the new mount are actually oval shaped, so I have room to move it, so should be fine. Okay, let's get it put in. Alright guys, well, it's all in and mounted. The only slight issue I had was the exhaust, so I just put a jack underneath there and like crushed the exhaust a little bit. It's still kind of still hits. So gonna probably have to mess with that some more, maybe if I can pull, if I can get this to bend down a little bit. So alright, well, I am going to switch the transmission fluid now to shockproof. Hold on. Yeah, heavy shockproof, because I'm not a fan of what's in there right now, so I'm going to swap it. But that's going to be it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching, and next will hopefully be the Duluck rear bar to help stabilize the car when the target's off. Alright guys, later.